Mike Hughes here, and I'm in the Philippines with Desiree. Actually, I'm with Majic Resorts, right?
Yes, you are.
Okay, and you want to tell us a little bit about your islands?
Yes. We got one resort on Bohol Island. Bohol Island is famous for the chocolate hills, the little monkeys, but it's got an amazing underwater life. Tarsier monkeys, tiny monkeys this size. They're pre-mates actually. The diving is fantastic. We have steep walls, coral covered. We got little caves. We got mud diving, so you can find with us the flamboyant octopus, the blue
mandarin fish.
Oh my God, mandarin fish. We got over
pygmy
200.
seahorses.
Over 200 different nudie branches already counted for in 2 years.
Wow,
So
that's a lot.
That's a lot, yes, sir.
Okay, and you're now when they get to Bohol, it's not right across the water. Then we have a little bit of drive.
Yes.
So
yes,
you're away from the hubbub.
Yes, we are a 1.5 hour drive away from the airport, which brings us to a nice secluded area where there's only one other serious dive center around.
Okay, so instead of thousands of divers at the one side, you've got a few that are really having a good time over there.
I've got 12 miles of reefs, and we're sharing it with one other dive center.
Okay, there you go. That's a pretty good division.
I think so too.
Okay, and so if they want more information, we're going to go to magicresorts.online.
Yes, sir.
And, I don't know if I can get this card in here, but I'll try just to do it anyway. So we look really closely. You can see the .online. New for the States, but hey, all the others are taken. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.